Hi guys, this is Onelovearts. I'm just taking you through the process of my sticker making and I hope you enjoy. Drawing has been one of the most amazing experiences that I've ever encountered, and I'm super glad to be in this journey. Welcome guys. Look at them. And let me tell you that nothing has been easy. It hasn't. It's been more headaches, tears and more tears. But it's so worth it. It's so worth it. To do what you love, it's the best thing in the world.
Otras personas a luchar contra sus miedos y fobias. Este es el tema. Ya veremos.
To use one diesel truck, it's economic suicide for rail.
So far, I've learned to let go, to accept, to visualize, to enjoy, to take deep breaths, to cry every so often, and to cry again, and to be happy, and to enjoy every little moment, because it's worth it. Yay! Money, for me, I guess it's super important, but it's not the most important when it comes to Onelovearts. The art is. Getting all these designs to you and for you to enjoy them with me, that's like the goal, and that's where my happiness lands. So my happiness lands in your hands. So if you ever receive anything from me, a design, whatever it is, if you ever purchase anything from me, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And just know that I put so much love in every design that I create. I love you. Thank you. From Onelovearts. Thank you for watching. Bye.